Hello everyone, this project name is Bi-Directional Visitor Counter Automatic Light Control System. So with this project, one can able to automatically turn on the loads like a bulb and fan by identifying the person entering into the room. Along with that, it will identify the body temperature of the person contactlessly, and it will open the door only when the temperature is normal. And also there is an automatic sanitizing place where a person placing his hands, this IR sensor will identify, and the pump will be used to pour the sanitizer on his hand. And here we have an L29 3D motor driver module, which will be used to control the door opening and closing and speed of the fan according to the temperature, which is been identified using this DHT11 sensor. And this is our IR based temperature sensor, and it is an IR sensor. So totally we have 3 IR sensors. One is for entering person identification, and one is for exiting person identification, and one is for sanitizing. So this is a relay module which will be used to activate the bulb at the particular time when a person entered the room. And here we are having a power supply board which will be used to convert the AC voltage coming from the transformer to a 5 volts or 12 volts of DC output, which is been sufficient to Arduino Mega and the remaining components. And this is an LCD display, so it displays the number of persons in that room. Along with that, it will display the body temperature of the person when he is identified at the entrance, and also will display the room temperature. And here we are having a small buzzer which will give an alert when body temperature of the person is too high. Initially loads are in the off state, so let us assume a person is entering. Body temperature is been identified. When it is less than 37 means the door will open and the door will close. So after entering, the loads will on and the speed of fan will be according to temperature. So it is actually low speed. You can change the temperature by putting any heated object on top of this DHT11 sensor, like soldering rods or anything else. And let us check the sanitizer part. So sanitizing will be displayed and pump will be in on state for a few seconds, and when the hands were being removed, the sanitizer will automatically stops. So now again a person has been entering, body temperature has been identified, door opening, and total in count is 2 persons. And let us come to exiting position. Total in count is 1 person, a person exited, and again total in count is 0. When no persons were in the room means all the loads will turned off. And this is actually that IR temperature sensor, means MLX90614. This has to be positioned towards your face, or like that it will identify the exact body temperature. So it will be like around 33, 35 or 37. So 37 degrees centigrade is the normal body temperature of that person. So if it crosses that limit, then only buzzer will give an alert and motor will stops. So that is the working of this project, and thank you for listening.